Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lahadra Malawa. For those who don't know me, I am a mother to two twin brothers. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Welcome back to my third episode of home renovations. So today we bought a new TV, a 65-inch Hisense TV. I'm so excited as I am like building this sitting room, updating. I know I'm not that far, but I'm really enjoying that. Is the Hisense 65-inch TV. I was just showing the before how it was before, as we were using a 39-inch TV. So I started cleaning here. As you can see, I was shifting. I wanted to install the new TV on the other wall. So I'm done here cleaning, and we have covered the couch because of the kids. And yeah, I know it's not really that nice, but there's nothing we can do for now. So I'm done with cleaning, and after cleaning, I have done everything I was waiting for the guy to install. So this is after like shifting everything to the new wall, and I think I'm enjoying it. I think I like the new setup. Just ignore the mess. We'll sort it out. So yeah, I've also removed the plastics from the new mirror. The installing guy arrived, and I was a bit uncomfortable to like film him because it was first time seeing him, and I was just so uncomfortable, man. So I waited until he was done, and there we are. I couldn't wait to open like the full vlogs, the YouTube, the music, and it was very good, man. See that? I'm enjoying it. So I was still watching my favorite while I was still mopping. So yeah, man, I think I enjoyed this. And for now, let me just insert the music while I like do everything. So this is the before we install the mirror. I was still unboxing and removing the plastics, and yeah, man, I must say I'm really happy. Well, it's not a big mirror as I wanted, but this is the least that I can have, and I'm very happy with what I'm having currently. I will um I will like buy some other big mirrors when I have money, but for now, let's say I'm really happy with that. So this is the after I have installed the mirror. Look at that, how beautiful is this? I am so happy, it's so beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Next episode.